Welcome to Quantconnect. In this video, we'll explore how to leverage this powerful platform for algorithmic trading. Let's start by creating your Quantconnect account. Follow these simple registration steps to get started. Now that you have an account, let's explore the interface. We'll uncover the key features that make Quantconnect a favorite among traders. It's time to set up your first algorithm. Don't worry, we'll guide you through every step. Backtesting is crucial for any trading strategy. Let's see how to test your algorithms effectively. Accessing historical data is easy with Quantconnect's data library. Let's discover how to utilize this resource. Take your algorithms to the next level by integrating machine learning. Here's how to incorporate AI into your trading strategy. Once your algorithm is ready, it's time to deploy. We'll cover best practices for live trading setups. Monitoring and analyzing your algorithm's performance is critical. Let's explore the analytics tools available at your fingertips. Finally, let's discuss the vibrant Quantconnect community and resources available to help you grow as a trader.